Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to set up a secret folder on your computer. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, we need to create a normal folder. Go to your desktop, right-click anywhere on an empty space, hover over New, and select Folder. A new folder will appear instantly on your screen. Now, the trick begins. We need to remove the visible name of the folder. Right-click on the folder and choose Rename. At this point, you cannot just leave it blank, so we use a special invisible character. You can type Alt plus 0160 using your keyboard, or even better, copy an invisible space character. If you prefer the safer method, open the search bar and type Character Map. Launch it, then scroll through until you find the blank or invisible character. Select it, copy it, and paste it directly as the folder name. Press Enter, and the folder will now look like it has no name at all. Next, we hide the folder icon itself. Right-click on the folder again and select Properties. Go to the Customize tab, then click on Change Icon. A list of icons will appear. Scroll until you find a completely blank or invisible icon option. Select it, click Apply, then press OK. Now both the name and icon are invisible. At this point, your folder is still there, but it blends completely into your desktop. You can store files inside it, and only you will know where it is located, which makes it useful for keeping personal or sensitive data hidden from plain sight. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.